Hello, welcome. Today we are going to prepare a coffee mousse. It's super easy, we just need 3 ingredients. We need instant coffee, very cold water and sugar. We just need to mix all the ingredients in a bowl . Very important to use cold water for make this process easy and faster. After a few minutes, the preparation is almost ready. We will know that it's ready when the mousse creates peaks. And for finishing, we are going to use a glass of milk, we are going to add 2 ice cubes, and we are going to put on top the coffee mousse. For garnishing, we can use some cacao powder. That's all. I hope that you enjoy the recipe. See you next time.